Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persian Western Supermare, and I'm going to show around this 308 in the Tech Edition specification. So as the name suggests, this car's packed full of great features. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, there's park assist, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. The car's got some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.